Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about escape sequence in C++ language. Escape sequence sometimes necessary to print characters that cannot be typed or has special meaning, and certain characters, when they are preceded by a backslash, then they will have special meaning. And the escape sequences are used for formatting the output and to print special characters. So the example of escape sequences are, first we have the \b. We can use the \b inside of a string to have one backspace. We can use the \f for form fit, and also we can use the \n inside of a string for the new line sequence. Also we can use the \r for return, and the \t is used for horizontal tab, and \v is used for vertical tab. And we can use double backslash inside of a string to print one single backslash. And also we can use the escape sequence backslash and one single quotation mark, and this will print one single quotation mark. And also we can print double quotation mark, then we have to use one backslash and double quotation, and this way we can print one double quotation mark. And we can print one question mark. In that case we have to use one backslash followed by one question mark, and this way we can print the question mark. And also we can use \0 for the null character. So these are the available escape sequences in C++ programming. Hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.